Okay, my children, I will tell you a story.
Thank you, Papa. We love you.
I love you too, my children. Oh, God bless you, my children.
Bless you too, Papa.
Story.
Sorry.
I am Mahaya. Nebe, I am Mahaya.
Once upon a time, children, our story for the day is about the burning book that did not get burnt.
Mama? Why? Dad? Why? Got overwhelmed? Why did you allow my mother to die? I'm alone now.
Adamoma, my beautiful daughter, you're a blessing to me.
My only mother. You are the best mother in our land. May God keep you for me.
And you too, my daughter. I love you so much.
Let me sing and dance with you.
Oh, okay. Good, let's finish. Always remember to wash your vegetable very well before putting it inside the soup.
Okay, that means I will be the one to cook tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow you will be the one to cook. Omalita.
Mama, I'm back.
My daughter, you're back. Where are you going? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah? The one you are fetched is enough. Tomorrow you continue.
Mama, it's not enough now.
It's enough. Omali Cham. Oh, yeah. You know what? I prepared your favorites. So, come.
Mama, thank
Mine you. Now. Omali Cha. Adamoma.
Tears in your eyes. You're telling me you're not crying. What is the problem?
Nothing, my daughter. I'm fine.
Mama, tell me the truth. You said I'm your princess.
My daughter, it's about my late husband, your father, who died at the evil forest with other warriors.
Tell me everything. Tell me what happened.
My daughter, don't worry. When you go to a full woman, I will tell you everything you need to know. Okay?
Then promise me that you'll stop crying until I grow.
I promise.
I am Mahaya. I am Mahaya.
No.
Nebe nebe. I am Mahaya.
Wake up. Mama, wake up.
I am Mahaya.
Tell me what you promised to tell me, please. Mama, no. Please. Mama, please don't do this now. Tell me what you promised to tell me, Mama, please. Please. Mama. Mama, please. Tell me what you promised to tell me now.
Oh, the gods of my ancestors, my forefathers, please have mercy on us all.
I am Mahaya.
Save us from this calamity. Let your anger on us calm down.
Nebe nebe. I am Mahaya. I am Mahaya.
Save my crown. Save my generation and the unborn ones to come. I, King of Onaya, will do anything to see that what went wrong will be okay again. Ogugu ayahu.
Ogugu anyanwu. The gods of our forefathers, my fathers, please stop hiding your face from me.
N'obodo m Dikeh, ọ bụzi gịnị butelu nke a? Emeleme ife nụ na-asọ nsọnụ.
This is more than me. This is bigger than me. This is bigger than me. This is more than me. How could the gods? How could they do a thing like this to me? This is more than me. I cannot take it. Why is it that after a long year of childlessness, the only time my wife happened to got pregnant, what they did was to take away my two issues, my twins. They took them away, and you expect me to be happy? If what happened to me happens to you, you will not stand it. You can't. How?
My brother Mazuka. You see, we are mere mortals. And the gods know better than us. What if the two of them were Ogbanje? That could be the reason why two of them have to be taken away at the same time, instead of allowing one to survive. So please take heart and be a man.
They would have allowed them to leave. If the two of them were Ogbanje, the gods would have allowed them leave. Let me witness Ogbanje. Let me witness how it is. Taking them away is not the best option.
It's okay. Take heart.
I knew how many years it took me to get my wife pregnant, only for them to come and take away what they give to me. For what? And you expect me to take it easy?
Two of them. So don't allow it to affect you too much, my brother.
If that is a favor. If taking away those children are favors from the gods, I don't need their favors. I do not need their favor. I don't need their favor. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Ola, my daughter, I want you to be very, very careful and know the kind of friends you keep in this village. You know how this village is. Please, my daughter, I don't want to lose you.
Mama, nothing will happen to the both of us, okay?
I pray so. If only your father were alive to see how grown you are now. And your twin sister.
Mama, stop acting like this. I know wherever father is now, he will be happy. Okay? Stop crying.
Okay, my
Father, I can't find my phone. It's supposed to be, I can't find it.
It's a long story. It's a long story. Before my demise, I would have told you this. Go to the chief priest. He will tell you how to solve the problem of the kingdom. Go! Go to him. Go, my son. Go!
No! Hey, my ancestors, please help me. Help my people. Help our land. Mafo.
My fault.
I can't sit here. My fault. What is happening? Eh? Eh? What is happening to me? What is happening to our kingdom?
My daughter, it is only the gods that has the final solution to our problems. Even the chief priest has nothing to say.
But why, Mama? I thought he's the mouthpiece of the gods.
Please, Olama, don't remind me of what I've forgotten. Gods of our land. Gods of our land, why me?
Mama, you don't have to cry. I just asked you a question, not for you to start crying. Or did you do anything to the gods?
You won't understand, my daughter. You won't understand. The tradition of our land has caused me so much pain. Pains that can never be erased from my heart.
My king, I have no solution to what you ask of me. But the gods just say of a seer who stays across Njaba River. He who lives on top of the hill, him alone has a solution to our problem.
Ezenzu. So you know all this and you have been hiding it from me and our people.
The gods have been silent. And you know that. They just spoke. You will back on the journey to see him. You alone will embark on that journey. You have one market day to go and return. We don't have time. We don't have time on our side, my king.
Ezenzu. Now tell me, how do I get to him?
Ogugu anyanwụ. Ọkụ na-agbite. How do we meet him? Amen. Thank you very much. The gods will lead you. They will guide you. They will show you the way. You will see him. We don't have time.
Hello. Hello. Come please. My name is Olama. My name is Adaeze. Who are you? I'm from this land. My father's name is Mazio. Can we be friends? Yes, I will. All my life, I've been alone in this world. I'll be your friend. Let's go. I'm happy that I now have a friend. Now that I'm back in my father's land. I'm sorry, my friend. You are not alone now. I'm now your sister. And my mother is very happy that I've gotten a friend that I like. Thanks for the pretty baby. May the gods bless you and your mother. He say. seem strong in our village. What do you think is the problem? I don't know. All I know is that the gods may be angry with our people. Whenever I ask my mother, she'll say nothing. All she'll do is to cry if I ask her further. Ada, can we go to my grandmother's village so we can stay there? No. What will happen to my father's house? I wish my mother were alive. Sorry, I understand. Sorry, okay? Let's go. Let's go.
I am Mahaya. Nebe nebe, I am Mahaya. I am Mahaya.
This is the third night our Igwe went to seek the face of the gods. Till now, we've not had anything from him. We don't know if he's succeeding or not. I am afraid, as a matter of fact. I am worried.
Mazuka, I am beginning to be even more worried than you. Remember, he went on that journey without even his guides. And we all know how far that hilltop and mountain is.
I pray that the gods answer to his calls. I pray that they show him the solution to our problems, so that this land will once again be free from all these bondages, all these calamities, all these unforeseen circumstances that we've been facing. I pray that they hearken to his calls and give us the solution, so that we will be free again, so that the inhabitants of this land will rejoice again. That is my wish. In fact, those are my wishes, honestly.
What is the problem? Show me. Tell me the whereabouts of my king. Has he met with the seer? Oguganyang, I promise you, anything the seer asks of, I will do it to please you.
Hayamaheya. Hayamaheya. Nebe nebe. Hayamaheya. Hayamaheya.
I sense someone coming. I shall be waiting.
I have a running stomach.
How can you have running stomach now? You know where we are going to. You know the situation in the land. I
know the situation in the land, but this also demands that I need to go and... Don't forget also that this is a matter of nature. You understand? Listen, look, let me tell you, if I discharge this thing here, you will not like it. It will bring a disgrace on you. So let me quickly run into a bush and discharge this thing, because the more you speak, the more this thing want to fall out. Because let me just run and go. Oh, I'll be
DJ! Hey!
Oh, look at this man. Eh?
Ha! Okay. I am going to wait here for you. Even if it takes you 2 years, I will wait. Can this critical moment you are talking of discharging, stomach is running you. I'm waiting for you. You better be fast about it. I'm waiting. I'll wait here for you. Ezenzu, eyes of the gods. What is the situation over there with our king and the seer? Has he seen the seer? Please speak. Our people are dying every day. I was coming with Mazuka, but he suddenly developed running stomach and he had to go back. If you go to the rivers now, all the water has turned to blood. Our crops are being destroyed. They are damaged totally. There is trouble in the land. Mazoga, my hands are tied. There is nothing I can do. There is nothing I can do. But the God says, as soon our king will get to the seer, and everything will be alright. He will come back with the solutions to our problems. Ezenzu, your hands are tight. And you say everything is alright. The people that are dying, the crops that are being damaged, even the river has turned to blood. I am sure that is what caused the running stomach of Mazuka. So if we all die before the king comes back, who is he going to see? Biko Ezenzu, you have to help us.
Ada, my friend, I'm sorry that I didn't come with the food stuff as I promised. My mother couldn't harvest anything.
Why? Why couldn't she bring something from the farmland? I thought the people's farm were doing well when we went to work on it.
Yes, it was doing well, but from where she went to, only to
come back and see that there was nothing in the farm. All the crops were damaged. How? What do you mean, my friend? My mother and I, we were all surprised. Let us finish this story.
That is why I'm here.
What you people are facing today in your community is as a result of your forefathers.
Yes, my hands are clean. Hand is not there. My father is not an idol worshipper. Please, my son, I beg you, please, anything of that shrine, put yourself out of it. Please. Please. Obisegeke. Chukwa ine efege na nugaga. Obisegeke. Esokwe na fanchanta. Jidesi chukwu ike. My only son. What have I done to Dikeh village that they cannot leave my son Augustine, only son for me? Where is my son, Augustine? Augustine, where are you?
He later died of heart attack while mourning for his only son, Augustine. Later on, Augustine regained his freedom from his slave master because of Christianity. He told his master about the sinful tradition and the culture of his people, that if any woman gives birth to a set of twins, the children will be used as a sacrifice to their gods. After telling them all this, the white men decided to go on a missionary journey to Dikeh village with Augustine. Was coming back to Dikeh village, hoping to meet his father. But unfortunately, he met his father's grave.
Oh God Almighty. God, accept this soul of my father. Let his soul rest in peace.
Augustine. He only wept and prayed before his father's grave. After 3 market days, Augustine and the white men began to preach the gospel to the people of Umudike. It wasn't easy to convince the people of Umudike to believe the white man's religion. Sometimes the white men were beaten up. Sometimes they escaped death. Gradually, the people of Umudike started embracing the white man's religion. Some of them no longer attend to Ogugwanyamu sacrifice.
So God made us to understand that He is the only God, that we should believe in His word here, that He will have mercy upon us and love us so dearly. So all we have to do is to believe in the word of God. Don't believe in any word from the Ogugu. So what we believe is what? Jesus Christ, the only Son of God. And this is His word. Bible. They call it Holy Bible. Say it after me. Holy Bible. Good. So that is what the Lord has made us understand. And He said in His word in the book of Matthew. In the book of Matthew chapter 28 from verse 1, He says, at the end of the Sabbath, as it began to dawn towards the first day of the week, came Mary Magdalene and other Mary to see the sepulchre. And behold, there was a great earthquake, for the angel of the Lord descended from heaven and came and rolled back the stone from the door and sat upon it. Good! This is telling us how Jesus Christ came down from heaven and paid the price. All those sacrifices that our forefathers went to do at the Ogugwanyamu shrine, Jesus Christ came down on earth and killed Himself. He died and rose again on the 3rd day. On that 3rd day, the angel of the heaven descended from heaven and pushed down the rock they used to bury Him. He now conquered death. Me and you, we will be alive forever, eternal life after here on earth. So the only thing we believe on is what? God. And believing in God, we believe in the what? Holy Bible.
Honor must be honor, must be honor. Jesus must be honored in my life.
Hello, my brother. How are you? Where are you going? Sacrifice? Oh my God. No. You don't need to do any sacrifice again. Jesus Christ came down from heaven to earth and He has paid the price. He has sacrificed Himself for you and for me. So you don't need to sacrifice any other thing. Take this, go back home, prepare it and eat it with your family and friends, okay? The only thing you have to do is to love your God Almighty. Don't need to do any other sacrifice. Believe in the Bible, the Holy Bible, the Word of God. Believe in Him and you are free. Whatever you want, you will have. Okay? Amen. God bless you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. You are blessed, okay? Bye. Jesus must be honored, must be honored, must be honored. Jesus must be honored, must be honored. Jesus must be honored in my life.
Abomination! Abomination! Ogugwayewu! Inokwansu! These people have taken charge of this community. Ogugwayewu! Inokwanyewu name. Eh? Our people don't worship Ogugwayewu anymore. They want to follow some useless people with their useless worship.
Oh gods of our land, look at the crops. They are all dead. The stream is dried up. No water to drink. Oh gods of our land, help us. Igwe, Dikeh is in trouble. What is going on?
Oh no! Me myself, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. We have to do something fast. But before that, let me summon Ezemo first. Before we do anything we want to do. Gas!
Yes, my king.
Go and summon me Ezemo right now.
The great one. The great one. The great one. Great one, the king wants to see you now.
The king wants to see me at the palace. You can go. Tell the king that I will be there in a few minutes. Asokwa soja! Asokwa soja! Okay. Igwe, Ogugwanyanwu is very angry. You have to do something now. The so-called white people have taken charge of this community. They want to destroy our tradition. Our people no longer worship our gods. Rather, what they do is to worship the so-called white man gods. You have to do something. Ogugwanyanwu is very angry. He's very angry. Igwe, be fast about it. Gods of our land, have mercy on us.
Ogugwanyanwu became angry, so angry and furious. He began to kill his subjects. So many calamity befalls the people of Dikeh. Their stream dried up. Hunger was everywhere because their land could not produce food anymore. It was terrible and unbearable.
Gods of our land, save us from this calamity.
Father, where they normally do their sacrifice. Come, don't be afraid. The Lord is with you.
Where are you? Help us. They must die. They must die. Igwe. Ugwayangu said that the white people and Augustine and every other person that is worshipping that their nonsense God must be killed. And that their stupid book they are using to deceive our people have to be burned. They must be burned. They must be killed today, this night. Igwe, this night I said. Guys! Go to that forest, take your other warriors. Go to that forest, kill those white men. Kill them all.
After their sacrifice this season, Ojamo told the king and the elders that the gods were angry with them because some people are still worshipping and seeking solutions from the gods of Augustine and those white men they banished from their land to the evil forest.
Pamo, you mean they were banished from Dikeh land?
Yes, my child. They were banished from Dikeh land because of the God they came with. The sacrifice that was supposed to be made to Ogugu Anyanwu was given to the gods of those white men and Augustine. The king became angry and asked Ojamo on what they shall do. Ojamo consulted their gods, Ogugu Anyanwu. Behold what he said.
Pamo, what did he say?
Ojamo said that Ogugu Anyanwu, their gods, demands the blood of those white men. Augustine and everybody that worships the white men's gods, and also the book which they were using to deceive some people, must be burnt, or no one will be alive to see the next 2 market days. Oh, my bones are getting weak. Old age. The king ordered the chief warriors to take other warriors and do as the chief priest said. The warriors went to the evil forest and killed the white men, Augustine, and every other persons that were worshipping the white man's gods. They also burnt down their huts, including the book. They thought that killing the white men and burning down their huts with their book will solve their problem, not knowing that their problem just began. The land of Dikeh village began to experience more calamities, to the extent that the king of Dikeh died.
My prince, my throne, nobody will sustain this throne. My prince.
And he said to him, the only solution to your problem is the book. You have to go to that same evil forest where those white men were living and get that book. The king said, wise one, every of their belongings were destroyed and got burned, including that mysterious book. The seer laughed.
The mystery of the Creator
is far beyond human imagination. That book is not just an ordinary book. It was in that hut that same day everything was destroyed. But it did not get burnt because it is the book of life and it cannot be destroyed. You have to go and get that book so that this calamity, this dark cloud, this doom that is roaming around will not wipe away the entire people of Umudike kingdom. You, the king, your elders, some of your maidens, and your warriors will go to that forest and get the book.
But it must not be me now. Must I be there? Must I go? I can order people to go and look for the book. I can send people to search for the book. Must I be there? No. No.
You, the king, your elders, some of your maidens, and your warriors will go to that forest and get the book, because the deed was pronounced by a king and it can only be revised by a king. Go. You have only but.
You have to go before the two next Eke market day, or else great calamity shall befall your land.
Eh?
Go! Go now! Go! Go!
The king returned to Umudike kingdom. He gathered the selected ones and told them where he went and what the seer said concerning the calamity befalling them and the solution.
I am Maheya.
Gods of our forefathers, please come and save us all. Oh, gods of our forefathers, come and save us. Show our land your face, so that we will know where we went wrong. Let our king find favor before you as he goes in search of the solution to our situation. Oh.
Help our king find the solution. Find this solution so that this land will be saved. Will it be better that he comes back without the solution and everybody on this earth, on this land, wipes away? No. We're only begging you for the solution. We're only begging your assistance to help our king find the solution so that we will be free from this calamity. We will be free from this problem. We are not asking for something much, if not assistance. Give him the help he needs. All the necessary assistance you could give, please render it to him. Our gods, please, listen to our humble cry. Listen to our cry. Else, we're going to finish. We will not remain in this land, though. On this land. We will not remain on this land. Is that what you want? I know this is not what you want. Please help our king. Help our king. Help our king.
Greetings. Greetings. This one you are here today. Is there any problem? What happened?
The king is back, Ichi, and he demands a present at the palace.
Eh? What did you say? The king is back. Hey! The gods be praised. That means our problems are over.
Let me be going.
Hey! Oh! Our problems are over. Oh, there will be peace.
Greetings.
Greetings. This one you are here today. Is there any problem? What happened?
The king is back, Ichi, and he demands a present at the palace.
Eh? What did you say? The king is back. Hey! The gods be praised. That means our problems are over.
Let me be going.
Hey! Oh! Our problems are over. Oh, there will be peace in our land now.
So that was what he told me. We are in serious trouble. The solution to our problems is very difficult.
Your Highness, we should be grateful to our gods for revealing the solutions to our problem. We should be thankful. Igwe, may you live long, and may your rule over our land be long. Ezenzu, so what do we do next?
What do we do now?
Mama, please allow me to go with the others to the evil forest to seek for the solution to our land.
Olama, I beg you in the name of the gods, please don't kill your mother. Please, I can't bear the loss again. I lost your sister, your only sister, and your father to that evil forest.
Mama, so I have a twin sister and you didn't tell me all this years. Mama, why now?
Yes, you have a twin sister. You were born twin. And it is an abomination to have twins in our land. Whoever gives birth to a set of twins, one will be thrown to the evil forest. And nobody in this village will know about it. Please, I beg you, don't go, my daughter. Don't go, please.
Mama, but my friend Ada is going. Mama, nothing will happen to me.
But you are not among the chosen ones. The God did not choose you. So please don't force yourself. Don't force yourself, Pico, no mama. Pico.
It's not possible. How can you go say a thing like that? You want my sister's daughter to embark on this journey when I'm still alive. It's not possible. It is not going to happen, Igwe. I cannot sit down and watch you because you're the Igwe of this community. You will impose something that is not acceptable on me and expect me to relax on it. It's not possible. It will not happen over my dead body. Igwe, unless you kill me. But when I am alive, while alive, this thing will not happen. What nonsense? Wait. She goes inside the forest, dies in the forest. The land becomes mine. She goes into the forest. Wow. Ofabra, bia, she dies. I go to Igwe and complain. The villagers, she dies. I hear she dies. Igwe knows she dies. Villagers knows she dies. The land I possess. What are we saying? Igwe, I'm sorry. Igwe, I'm truly sorry. I wasn't thinking straight. I was not thinking straight when I was blabbing. Please forgive my SSS. If I had sense, I would have reasoned afar. Igwe, I'm sorry. Igwe, for this singular act, I owe you 1 keg of palm wine. Fantastic! Igwe, in fact, if the journey is tomorrow, let she begin today. Igwe, I owe you 1 for me. Keg of palm wine and he goes. Oh! Igwe!
Where a child cry and point her. If his father is not there, his mother will be there. Thank you very much. Your Highness, everything will be well with us soon. Very, very soon, the gods will smile at us. You and the chosen ones shall gather here tomorrow night for cleansings over the journey.
I wish I alone can do this for my people. Ezenzu, I see tears. I see tears in the eyes of the chosen one's family. I weep for them. I weep for them.
The ways of our gods are not the ways of man. I know where it preaches. Go and get prepared against the journey ahead of you. The gods will smile at us soon. Akwari yenye mukaneme.
Ikirikiti ya koko. Hayo yo. Yelelelele obodo mo Dikeh. Yo. Aku chalu no mo ngoka turi. Hayo yo. Aku na kirikana. Hayo yo. Ikirikiti ya koko.
How are you here? I came to say goodbye. Before you go, I would miss you. I wish my twin sister were alive. I would have gone with you. That's why. Stop crying. Stop crying, Ola. I am not dead. I'll come back and meet you, okay? May the gods keep you from me, my best friend. Thank you very much. And may the gods keep you too when I come back. I have to go now. Let's go. Go. Mom.
Let's proceed. Others are waiting.
I am Mahia. Nebe nebe. I am Mahia. I am Mahia. I am Mahia. I am Mahia. Nebe nebe. I am Mahia. I am Mahia. I am Mahia.
I am Mahia.
Yelelelele obodo Dikeh. Ema we fenenu fenani. Agwo no na kirikana. Iyi kirikiti yokoko. Yelelele obodo Dikeh. Asimu dene fenenu fenani. Mamadu ikaliri chuku. Ikirikiti yokoko. Yelelelele obodo Dikeh. Ema we fenenu fenani. Agwo no na kirikana. Iyi kirikiti yokoko. Yelelele obodo Dikeh.
I am Mahia. I am Mahia. Nebe nebe. I am Mahia. I am Mahia.
Emeleme ifenu na sonsonu. Una fugonu ni falu neme o. Ni momo danyi o. Obukenu si adinu. Ewa tamigo nisi o. Ifalu neme.
Aluburi can run. Your Highness,
this road leads to where other chosen ones are, you will join them. But one more thing.
Our wishes. No. What would you say? No, it won't work. That means it won't work. Why will you say such? Imagine.
What did you say?
Why will you say such a thing?
What did you say?
No. Imagine. Why will you say such a thing?
What did he say now?
He said immediately we enter into the evil forest. I with the other chosen ones. We will all reduce. Why? Why will you say such a thing?
To animal or to human being?
No. That means I'm not going.
Hi. Reduce into what? Into human being or animal? Chief Priest should have looked at the person you said will reduce. He's already reduced. As Igwe. If he goes inside and reduce the more, I don't know what he's going to do. That means we are going to have breastfeeding in Igwe. You understand? So, anyway, His Highness, you will see, let me tell you. You might even go there and come back bigger than as you are. So relax yourself. In fact, I wish I was the Igwe. I wish this opportunity was given to me.
Then it's not late, it's still very fresh. You can continue the journey. Take my sword and go. No, take this.
No.
Take my sword and go.
You are the Igwe. You understand? You are the Igwe. Look, let me tell you, Igwe. What matters if you come? Let me tell you. What matters to you now is your offer. Your offer is the most important thing that matters to you. As a matter of fact, Igwe is supposed to be given to an adult, but nature has it. In fact, you are fortunate enough to become the Igwe because of the death of our former Igwe. You understand? So what you are going to do is go inside there and get this thing. Come back and save your people. Let your offer be your priority now as it is. Let your... is that not true, Ichie?
It's correct.
Go in there. Reduce. Don't be afraid of reduction. You might go and come back big, overgrown. So listen to the chief priest. Chief priest. Oh yeah. You're not saying anything now.
If you people find the solutions to our problem, you all will come back to your normal sizes.
Talk, you all will come back. You will talk now. Yeah? Are you going or you're not going? Let us know what you're supposed to go. Oh, I need the target. Look at you, you're not even ashamed of yourself. What is it? You're not ashamed of yourself. You're here throwing at nothing. And then, is it not work? Which one is work? Let me tell you that they call you Oba Snachi does not mean that you fold your arms and wait until she gives you Oba.
Yes, I'm proud to be Oba Snachi. Yes. You're proud to be Oba Snachi? Yes.
Go and hustle and make money and make your parents. You're hustling already. Yes. Of course, I can see you're hustling. Throwing a stone at nothing is hustling. Is what you call hustling. What are you even targeting? What are you even shooting?
I'm shooting birds.
There's no bird there. There's no fruit there. What are you shooting?
They have flew away.
They flew away. Yeah. They flew away because they know you're senseless. They flew away because they know that you're hopeless. They're not friends to urchins like you.
Mind how you talk to me. I wouldn't mind to beat you.
You will beat me. Yes. You've already beaten me. Saying it alone, raising your hand, you've beaten me already. And the gods will beat you. The gods, they will use plier. Fushageze. You know the they'll plug all your teeth down. Go and look for Nzara. And Zala is again. Because they'll soon scatter your teeth. Look at you. You're not ashamed of yourself. Oba Sinachi, go and make Oba. Don't wait until it comes from Chi.
Let me tell you, I don't mind if you are an elder or whatever. I'll beat you.
Ikemba.
Leave here.
Ikemba ne Ojuku. I should mind how I talk to you. Commander-in-Chief. Ikemba. Ojuku. Warrior. I should mind how I talk to you. You're not ashamed. In fact, you are useless. You have a vagabond. Look at you. What are you doing in the forest? I don't know why the gods did not even choose you to enter the forest with those girls.
Are you not old enough to go there? Yes.
I am a Dugayi. I just Dugad the Igwe. I escorted the Igwe to the point where he continued. So I am at least benefit of that to be given to me.
Why don't you join the embarking ones?
I don't know why you should have been among those people, those little girls chosen for this journey. They left you. I don't even know. I am sure. In fact, they would have given you to the Igwe as a sacrificial lamb. That is if the gods, if the oracles of the forest will accept you as a sacrifice. Because you're nothing. You're useless. Mama.
I leave.
I should leave.
Yes. Leave before I stone you.
Obasinachi, I should leave.
I will leave. I will stone you.
You will stone me.
Yes.
I am ashamed of you. I am ashamed of your parents who did not train you well. Because if they had trained you well, you wouldn't be here chasing birds. Empty space. Go and do a better thing with your life. That's if you have a life. Beat your father.
Look at you, causing trouble all over the place. Look at you, visit native doctor. You can't even visit. You say, I'm having running stomach. Look at you.
You are welcome, Mazoka. Thank you, Ezunzu. How is our king and the other one that went to the land of the spirits because of the problem in our land? Are they still alive? Have they found the solution to the problem? Ezunzu, the gods are with them. The gods are with them. They will return. Nothing will happen to them. And they will find the solution to our problem. Mazindo, Ezunzu, may the gods be with you. May the gods be with you, Ezunzu, but... Abujeli done amazing.
The ghosts of their life started killing them.
Iwe dị n'ikuku ogugu anyanwụ yarakata ifulo obodo dịka
Ghosts of our land, please calm your anger on us. Please don't kill us. Have mercy on us. Don't allow them all to die. Please save us. Save us from this calamity.
Aku chalu no mu ngoka turi
I want to ease myself.
You again? Adaeze.
Hola. What is it?
Mama, is Ada?
Don't worry. Ada will be back soon, okay? She's not dead. She's still alive. She will come back to meet you, okay? Don't worry, okay?
Mama, I will kill myself if Ada doesn't come back.
Hayamaheya. Hayamaheya. Nebe nebe. Hayamaheya. Hayamaheya.
Please don't hurt her. She's innocent.
I will die. Is she not from Dikeh?
Yes, she is. But she came to save.
Save what? She must die, and her blood will be put in her pot. for their evil deed towards us.
Take my staff in replacement of her soul.
No! She will follow others to the beyond.
No! She's innocent.
Have you forgotten what they did? How their evil tradition and their evil chief priest chased us away. I will pay them back.
I've not forgotten. It was not their fault. They were all deceived by him. Please let this one go.
No! She will die.
She's innocent.
She must die.
Please don't hurt her. Thank you very much. Don't come any closer, or you will not return to Earth again. Mama, you came. How? When did you come? Where are other people?
It's not Olama. It's her twin sister. She asked me to save you, and that's what I'm doing for her. I wish I can be with my twin again.
Who am I? Who am I? Please, let me go, please. Who am I? Who am I? Let me go. Who am I? Please, let me go, please.
I am Mahaya.
You have to go now.
I am Mahaya.
Tell my sister I love her.
Nebe nebe.
Thank you
I
very
am
much.
Mahaya.
I will do as you said.
Go. Follow that way. Go! Okay.
No! Let her go.
No! She cannot go. She has to die like others.
No! Leave her alone.
Why should I leave her alone?
Have you forgotten? I am stronger than you are. Go! Go!
I am Maheya. I am Maheya. Nebe nebe. I am Maheya. I am Maheya.
Elelebe jolo, eya, mbombo. Elelebe jolo, elelebe jolo, eya, mbombo. Elelebe jolo, elelebe jolo.
I am Maheya.
somebody will tell me that this day we are going to sit down in this form happily, somebody who saw us 3 months ago, years ago, will not know that today will be the oh, that will be peace. I am so happy.
At least now we are happy.
Yes. So it is because of this holy book. So this thing, sorry, this holy book.
Yes.
Holy book.
You can say that again.
So you are here. May your name be praised, though.
We are now happy.
We are happy. Manigwe, also the Kibe. Igwe, you have to go and get married. Let Lolo be seated beside you.
I know, I will see to that.
So that when I come, I will no longer eat food made by a man.
I will try.
You understand?
I will try.
Because each time, if I take my fufu and put inside soup, it sounds, it tests man. I want to be coming to this place.
I will see to that.
Eat food. When I put food in my mouth, it will be tasting like lol.
I will see to that.
Because you will see to that because they are
at least we are now happy.
Yes, so we are happy. Yeah, we can now sleep with peace. We can now sleep with our 2 eyes open. You know, eat food. But you go. Let me ask you. It's not like how did you feel inside a small size when you transformed from this your size into a smaller size? How did you feel?
You mean in the forest?
No, because even if it is me, you can imagine they say my manhood is like this. Small time it is like this. I will feel the impact.
Mazuka, you will not stop amazing me.
Okay, it's all right.
Though it was not funny, but I thank God I'm okay now.
It's okay, no problem. Thank God. Thank God. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Happiness is.
Ada, I'm happy that the land of Onuigbo is full of you.
Both me. Your twin sister looks like you. She said I should tell her that she loves you.
I know she loves me. And tell her that I love her too. Ada, you're now my twin sister. And I'm happy that you're now the princess of Dikeh.
No, both of us.
restored to Dikeh village, everything started moving well again. Children, my bones and lungs are getting weak every day. This is the end of our story today. I love you, my children.
Dalo